We are a young family of 4, meaning we have 2 young children. We bed share and co-sleep even on vacation. So let's show you how that affects our room tour setup. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, Magical Moms. My name is Tiana, and here at Magically Ever Mom, I share lots of tips, tricks, and personal adventures to help you get the most out of your Disney World vacation with little kids and babies. I post every Thursday and every other Monday, so make sure you click that subscribe button to not miss all of our adventures on this current trip of Disney World craziness. This is our first time staying at All-Star Music, and I wanted to show you guys a quick little tour of how we specifically set up our hotel room, being a bed sharing and co-sleeping family, and also how we make the most of this space. We're over in the Country Fair building, and it's actually really nice because we've got a view of the trees in the background, so honestly it's just kind of nice and peaceful. Here is our room at All-Star Music. Again, we have a standard room, and this has been somewhat set up for us. I will be setting up a little bit more things here near the end, as you'll see. There will be an air mattress on the floor. For us, me and Will, we share a bed. Adeline and Tom will be sharing that bed over there. And we do have the pull-out bed out here, which these are actually really easy to pull down, these Murphy beds. But what I'm worried about with Will and I is that even with the bed rails, because he is just at that young toddler stage of being wiggly and could easily move around in bed and not understand that if he falls off, he's falling off onto this hard floor, and that could be a really bad fall. So for us, with their shorter bed rails that they offer at hotels, which is gonna be standard, that's not just a Disney thing, we felt safer this trip, and probably for more upcoming trips, do have an air mattress that we're gonna set up on the floor right there. So stay tuned and you'll see how that works. But for right now, we've unloaded our suitcases. We've got the diaper bag there. The stroller goes right over there for us. Tom has the stroller currently right now. He's got the kids over at the playground, so that is not in the room. We've got the beverage cooler. Again, these are beverage coolers, as I said. These are not actually mini fridges. They've unfortunately taken those out as of probably at least a few years ago, which that means that you can decide how you want to go about it, but you may not want to put yogurts or milks or things that actually would go bad in there. As you can see, we just have a few items in there this time. This drawer is actually empty this time. This is ours that we brought with us because we had gotten chicken nuggets on the way out of town this morning. Coming up here next, you've got your coffee station with all of your Joffreys and your creamers and all of that stuff. This is also a bit of our drop zone here, as we've got a glasses cover, headphones of Tom's, car keys. I've got a water bottle and an empty water bottle there. And then our vitamin containers. You've got your ice bucket there. This is the schedule for house cleaning if you are curious. And then that up there is an extra shelf that we decided to put our extra food, extra kind of pantry snacks up above. But this drawer would actually be another spot that we could do that, or it might be handy for you to do that in the future. You've got your temperature gauge over here, your thermometer, and obviously a window here with the blind that you can pull open and closed. As with typical hotel doors, you've got this extra latch along with the lock down below. And of course, you've got your room occupied sign if you wish to use that. This is the Hey Disney. And as you can see with these All-Star resorts, they come with a small little table here and 2 chairs, one on either side. We have decided to keep this as kind of our toy section and book section that help for keeping the kids occupied while in the room if we need to. This Murphy bed would pull down if you would like to. Again, it is actually quite easy to pull down if you need to. Your phone, some more outlets and plugs over there if needed, light switches for up above, and then we've got our queen size bed here. That is our changing blanket for Will. And then moving on now, this waste basket here, this normally sits over here or down below here, but Will kept grabbing at it, so we decided to just put that up on the counter for now. And then the rest of this up here is basically our charging station, more or less. Obviously, I have my sling bag there. We have some wipes out that we personally just like to leave out on the counter because they're just handy and easy to grab that way. This is what I keep all of our chargers and ports in. I can link that down below for you guys if you're interested in something like that. Sound machine, camera charging batteries, an extra mini USB, I believe this is. I could be wrong. But either way, just another charging port. On this side, we have our phone chargers. lightning cables, and then our Magic Band chargers here. And then this area right here, in the past we've sometimes used it actually to put suitcases in it. This time we are using it for obviously our shoes. Those are our stroller blankets that we decided that we really didn't need today. We knew we weren't gonna be out into the late evening, and so we knew it wasn't gonna get cold enough for us or our kids to need them. These are reusable bags, should be in the stroller, but as of right now, we just really don't have any chance of needing the rain gear. That's our extra bag that should go back in the stroller when we redo that this evening. Now we'll get into these drawers here for the dresser. It's actually quite a nice size dresser. We have put all of our packing cubes into it for tomorrow's extra clothes, sweaters, more packing cubes for the next few days. And then bottom one, we decided to put all of our sleep clothes. This big one is gonna have your safe, some extra pillows, the Bible, and this spot over here works really well for us to put our Mockingbird double stroller in. Got some coat racks over there. And then on the bed, I did not mention that this side also has a little nightstand, little cubby hole down below. Of course, some extra plugs up above and the light switch for the light up above. Now let's get into the bathroom and see what we've got in here. Obviously we've got the sink, the waste basket. I'm gonna put that back down here. Again, that was up because Will kept grabbing it. We've got a hand towel on either side. You have lots of cubby holes for storing things over there. We have put our toiletry bags there. I've got my makeup bag there. If you need to, you have an iron and a hair dryer. And then these are our scrubbers for in the shower. You've got a nice makeup mirror that does come with a light. And as you can see, you can pull in and out to where you may want it. A full-length mirror right in front of the bathroom to make sure that you are theme park ready to go. And then you've also got a nice hanging rack for those that would like to hang up any clothes, plus a cubby up top. Now getting into the toilet and shower room. We've got towels on the side, of course, a little hanging rack there if you would like, extra towels back behind the toilet, and then you've got the tub shower combo with a line for drying any swimsuits or other clothes that may get wet. A nice good sized shower head up there, standard size bathtub, a good amount of space for putting any of your shower things on if you need them, and of course the Disney provided body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. If you're enjoying this video and looking at all of these room tours, go ahead and click that subscribe button, give me a like, come be a part of our Magically Ever Mom community, and be a part of the family. Now there we go, we've got the air mattress all set up. As you can see, there is very limited room around, so that's kind of the downside of this. We knew it would be super duper tight, but for us, more important to have a low down spot than having something up there. And what I'll actually be doing when we're not sleeping is I'll just tip it up on its side. Thank you so much for watching today's room tour and setup. Now let me know in the comments if you've stayed at this resort and if it was your favorite All-Stars or if you have a different favorite All-Star resort. And maybe also let me know what your dream value resort to stay at is. Our next value resort that we really hope to try out is gonna be Pop Century. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys right over here so that you can see how our whole day at Hollywood Studios went. That was an awesome day. Bye guys.